In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make horror story using AI.
A long time ago, a kind nurse named Evelyn worked at St. Mercy Hospital. One night, she was hurt and killed by people who were supposed to protect her. After that, the hospital closed down. Now people say her ghost still haunts the building. Last week, some kids went inside for fun. They found the nurse's old station, but never came back out.
As you can see, it's pretty good. Now I'm gonna walk you through the process step by step, starting with a prompt. So we're gonna use ChatGPT here and we're gonna come up with a story. So let's say I wanna make a scary hospital story and I want a nurse, scary looking nurse as the character. So first I wanna make the character, an image prompt of scary looking female nurse. Alright, so I have this prompt. We're gonna copy this and then we're gonna generate the image. You know, you can use ChatGPT to make the image directly, but I like to use ImageFX. If your country is not available, you can use a VPN. So I will come here, I will paste the prompt. Now the setting, I will change it to portrait. Come back here and then we'll click on create. So the face is covered by face mask. I don't want this. I will remake the prompt. Remove the face mask from prompt. Okay, we're gonna try this prompt now. Okay, we have two images. We're gonna use this one. So click on download. Now if you guys are not happy with the result, you can just keep clicking on creating until you find the suitable image that you like. This one is pretty good. Alright, now we have the image. I'm gonna use this tool to generate an avatar, talking avatar. I will put a link down below, guys. You can click the link down below to create a free account. And then we'll go to avatar and I will create avatar, photo to avatar, and we'll use this image. And the motion, I will select serious. You can choose whatever motion you like. I will generate the avatar. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Now we need the story. Okay, we're gonna make a short story. I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT, make a short 30-second scary story in an abandoned hospital involving a nurse that was raped and killed. Okay, I'm gonna use this as an example. You know, the story is a little bit complex and hard to understand for non-English speaker. I will make the story easy to understand. Okay, this one is good. I feel the goosebump, guys. I feel the goosebump. Okay, this one is good and it's easy to understand. So we have the script. We're gonna copy this. So while waiting, what I usually do is that I will search for stock footage videos relating to the story. For example, we are talking about a hospital. We can search for a hospital or we can generate an image. Let's say generate a scary looking hospital. Again, you can use a stock footage videos, but since this is about AI, we're gonna use everything AI. We can even make the image of hospital is moving if we want to. So again, we'll generate this using ImageFX and see what kind of hospital, scary hospital that will come up. Okay, pretty cool. I mean, this one is good though. I like this one. I'm gonna use this one. So what's in the prompt? Or you can use this, guys. For example, make an image prompt of each scene of this video script. Okay, we're gonna use this. Let's create. Okay, we're gonna use this for the character. So we want some kids went inside. They found teenager go inside a scary hospital. Alright, I'm gonna use this image. By the way, our AI avatar is done. You can click on it.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with Jogg AI. Just type your script to get started.
Okay, now we're gonna paste this. Here we're gonna change the voiceover. So choose female, select English. I will find the suitable voiceover for this nurse.
Well, let's see. I think I'm best for ads.
Imagine the possibility.
Loss is nothing else. Hey there, friends.
The only way to deal with. She never thought she'd ever see his.
I'm not saying there's a twist,
Find a comfortable.
If you're seeking a voice that I had been sitting.
but if I were you, I'd pay close attention to what I'm saying next.
Hi there, I'm your
Meet Graham.
In the middle of every.
Do I seriously? Hey, are you looking for a.
Hey, you're not asleep yet, are you? Because I've
Okay, we're gonna use this voice and I'm gonna click on generate here. Click on generate 9:16. Okay, crazy nurse. So we're gonna name it that. Click on render. So while we wait, we're gonna work on the image. I still check on my patient. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. It's pretty good. I'm gonna make this nurse scary old station. Abandoned nurse scary old station. So you gotta play smart with the prompt, because if you have different tags, it's gonna have different results, guys. Again, we're gonna use some basic logic as well. Yeah, this is pretty good. I'm gonna use this one. Alright guys, so our video is done. We're gonna watch it together.
A long time ago, a kind nurse named Evelyn worked at St. Mercy Hospital. One night, she was hurt and killed by people who were supposed to protect her. After that, the hospital closed down. Now people say her ghost still haunts the building. Last week, some kids went inside for fun. They found the nurse's old station, but never came back out. The only thing left behind was a bloody clipboard, and on the wall, written in red, "I still check on my patients."
Okay, so there is obviously need some editing. First, we're gonna click on download here, and we're gonna use some editing tool, guys. We're gonna use CapCut. You can use whatever tool you usually use. So I will just import all the image and the videos.
A long time ago,
So I'll put her here. I'm gonna do some trimming. I will cut some unnecessary pause. So nothing that interesting, guys, about this, unless we add background music and sound effect. That would make a scary story or movie scary, right? We need a scary audio. Horror. Okay, I like this one. I'm gonna add this.
a long time ago, a kind nurse named Evelyn worked at St. Mercy Hospital. One night, she was hurt and killed by people who were supposed to protect her. After that, the hospital closed down. Now people say her ghost still haunts the building. Last week, some kids went inside for fun. They found the nurse's old station, but never came back out. The only thing left behind was a bloody clipboard, and on the wall, written in red, "I still check on my patient."
Okay, I'm gonna change the music. Again, guys, it's, according to your taste.
A long time ago, a kind nurse named Evelyn worked at St. Mercy Hospital. One night, she was hurt.
Okay, we're gonna add some, like, a women's scream.
Was hurt and killed by people who were supposed to protect her. After that, the hospital closed down.
Okay, so we're gonna find like door close. Okay, we're gonna find gate close here.
After that, the hospital closed down. Now people say her ghost still haunts the building. Last week, some kids went inside.
Okay, here we're gonna add footsteps.
Last week, some kids went inside for fun. They found the nurse. But never came back out. The only thing left behind was a bloody clipboard, and on the wall, written in red.
Okay, now here we're gonna add some scary sound effects. Another cool tricks, you can use this website, My Instance, to find sound effects. I'm gonna search for thumb. Okay, I'm gonna add this one. So just download it and come back here, go to media. I'm gonna import the audio, put it there.
I still check on my
Okay, I will sync the audio and the zoom.
I still check on my patients.
Last but not least, we're gonna add a subtitle. You can go to text and click on auto caption and click on generate. All right, we're gonna go to caption here. Now we don't want the text too long, guys. We're gonna cut it out. Okay, a long time ago, click on enter. A kind nurse named Evelyn worked at St. Mercy Hospital. Now we'll go to text. The font size, you can change whatever font you want. I'm going to use Arnold Pro, and I will make it bigger. Then I will just add a shadow. The distance I will put 12, and I will put it somewhere in the middle but slightly below. Okay, we have added the subtitle. Everything is good. We just click on export here and name your videos, guys. I will show you the end result right here.
A long time ago, a kind nurse named Evelyn worked at St. Mercy Hospital. One night, she was hurt and killed by people who were supposed to protect her. After that, the hospital closed down. Now people say her ghost still haunts the building. Last week, some kids went inside for fun. They found the nurse's old station, but never came back out. The only thing left behind was a bloody clipboard, and on the wall, written in red, "I still check on my patients."
Alright guys, all the tools mentioned, or put the link resources in the description box below. If you wanna get Jogg AI, it is currently on sales, 50% off The yearly plan, as you can see, is only $36 per month. You can generate unlimited video, as you can see, and you can make video up to 15 minutes. You can also get an extra 10% discount using the coupon code in the description box below. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next video.